How to kill weeds with household products. Dozens of weed-killing sprays that line the shelves of gardening shops often cause more harm than good due to the toxic chemicals among the ingredients. The Good Housekeeping's complete household handbook states weed killers are potent and increase the likelihood of killing the lawn, flowers and shrubs along with the weeds. Household products are a safe alternative for your lawn, as they dry out the weeds without damaging your lawn and are non-toxic, if accidentally ingested or inhaled. Things you'll need: garden shears, distilled white vinegar, ½ cup water, 1 tablespoon dishwashing soap, spray bottle. Cut the weed as close to the roots as possible. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar into an empty spray bottle, and mix in a ½ cup of warm water. Mix in 1 to 2 tsp of dishwashing liquid into the spray bottle, and secure the top of the bottle to prevent spillage. Shake the solution, then spray the solution directly onto the weeds. Avoid spraying onto the lawn, as the vinegar can damage the lawn, according to EarthEasy.